Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, we are doing the setup process. In here we need to select our region and click on continue. Click on agree and continue. If you want, you can insert your SIM card right now, but now let's click on skip. It's not necessary. Now we need to connect into our Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then hit connect. Then click on continue. Click on continue. And now if you want, you can set your privacy password, but I'm going to set it later in the settings, so don't worry. And now we have a possibility to log in into the HUAWEI ID. Let's click on continue. It's not necessary to do it right now. If you want, you can do it. But for now, I'll skip it. I'll click maybe later. Okay, scroll down, hit next. In here, I want to enable the services. I want to also join the program. In here, I'll skip it. Location services, I want them to enable. And now we have the data to import. So first, I'll show you how to move data from another device. And then I'll show you how to restore from the HUAWEI Cloud and how to restore from the external storage. So let's begin with the other device. Click on agree. Select your old device type. In my case, I'm going to use old Android. And now we need to scan this code using our second device. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay. Let's scan it. Install your app. I'm going to do it via the browser. Click on download. Click on allow. Now we need to wait until it's downloaded. Okay, open up your app. Click on install. Now it should be done any second. Click on open to open up your app. Click on agree. Click on OK. Select that this is the old device. Okay, click on allow. Allow. Click on allow while using the app. Basically allow for everything. Click on the permissions, and now if something is not allowed, simply hit on allow. Oh, actually it doesn't want to work in this case. Okay. Click on next. And now we need to click on next. Click on allow only while in use. Allow for everything. Now we need to scan this code. Okay. Now both devices should connect to each other. Now select open with, pick one of the options. And something went pretty weird, so let's try again. Okay, maybe now they will connect. Okay, both of the devices connected to each other. Click on allow. Now we need to select the things that we want to copy, and then hit on the transfer. Okay, now the process has started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Alright, now everything has been successfully transferred. Click on finish. In here, we won't be needing this device anymore, so I'll take it away. And now select your navigation method. It can be gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you can click on learn, but you can always click on change and select the three button navigation. Click on finish. Click on try now, and now we are ready to use our device. Alright, so that was the first method. Now let me show you the second one, which is restoring from the external storage drive. So to do it, open up your settings, scroll down, click on System and Updates, Backup and Restore, Data Backup, External Storage, Allow for everything, click on OK. Now plug in your device. Click on USB storage. And now select Restart from Backup and select the backup that you want. Make sure that everything is selected. Click on Restore. And now type your password that you have set before. Click on OK. And now restore has been completed. Click on done, and now that's all when it comes to the external storage drive. It was really fast. I can unplug it right now, and now I'll show you how to restore from the HUAWEI Cloud. To do it, scroll to the app side, click on login into HUAWEI ID, and now I need to log in, so give me a second. Alright, I just logged in. Click on your HUAWEI ID. Now click on the cloud. Now select the backup that you want to restore. For example, I want that one. Now click on the backup options. Oh, my bad, not in here, but wait a second. Click on your device, and in here, click on Manage Backup Data, and select Restore Data in here. Now select the backup, select the data that you want to restore, hit the button, click on OK, and now the data is being restored. So let's wait until everything gets restored. Okay, something went wrong, one thing, I don't know why, but... Oh, the icon layout. Doesn't matter. Click on OK, and now everything went totally fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.